Hi all, this is Mohit Tyagi. Today we will discuss pivot function in SQL. It is useful when we want to summarize the data. So in pivoting, it converts the data into column based on a particular field value. Like in our input, we have name, different name. And if you will see with the help of using pivoting, the name field values are distributed based on the different names, right? So inside the name, we have different name values. According to that, all the values are distributed in a separate column. Based on that, every value is distributed in a separate column. So here in the input, we have done its color coding based on different names, values. So basically, pivot does the summarization of the data based on a particular column values. So let's see how we will implement this in the SQL. So here, this is the table which we have already created and insert the data, right? So these are the commands which you can also use to create the table and insert the data. So let's use the pivot function. Inside pivot function, we will use the different name values and the data will bifurcate based on those values. So let's select order date, name, amount from pivot table, and we will give it name as source table, because we will further use this select statement. We will now we will use pivot function, sum of amount, sum of amount for name, right? For name, like for this field, name field, and inside this we will put all the names, right? So these are the names, and we will close this pivot function and give it name as pivot table, right? Along with that, we will use the select so that we will take only required fields in our output. So here we are giving the field name. So we will take all these name as a field name. From, right? From this this table, right? So if I will run this, so this will give me the output, right? If you want to take the order date along with that, so you can also use the order date, right? Now if you will run this, right? So here we have null values, right? So if you want to use 0 instead of null value, so you can further use is null with respect to every field values, right? And we will give it name as, again, field name, right? If I will run this now, so all the null value is converted into the 0, right? So this is our desired output, which actually we want, right? So that's how we can use the select statement. So you can also try this at your end. So thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day.